What you can see behind me is a pile of 22 t-shirts. Now I'm not just messy, they're there for a purpose. What I'm going to do in this video is play a game of Rogue Company Demolition, and every single time I get a kill, I've got to jump up and quickly put on a top and get back down, instantly, whether there's a second person there or not. Now for it to count as a kill, it has to actually be a finish, not just a down, so I can play tactically about it to not just get slaughtered. Alright, we're going to start to finish. I'll put a hat over the top as well, just to make it a little bit easier for me to actually put on the t-shirt so my headset doesn't keep getting pulled off.
We're on the attack. Plant the bomb at a site.
Big Shack, Mastery 10. Alright, there is going to be ruffling on the mic every time I put this top on, so I apologise in advance for that.
I hope it is a good fight.
I will start off.
Good.
Spitfire. Gives you the extra 5 bullets, makes the kill so much easier with it. Further than like 9 meters, the clip just about takes someone out. Start hitting 9s with a general shot.
Plant the bomb in either site.
If it goes wrong, you still have a 5 gun. Folded. This makes things so much harder.
Help me out.
We're one down straight away. This is going to be harder than I think.
The bomb has been dropped. We've been. Bomb's active. Don't let them disarm it.
Stop. Oh no, this person coming. This person coming, this person coming. No!
Help me out.
This is difficult. I might have to do a round 2. 20 kills.
Bomb has been dropped.
That's 2 down, that's 2 down. 2, quick. Quick 2. Quick 2.
I'm down.
Gotta get a second one. How we going? We're going for the clutch. We're still on. Oh, these tops getting tired already around the bottom.
45 seconds remaining.
Probably about 5. Don't kill him, Demon.
Friendlies eliminated. Regroup.
That's a hard teabag. Entirely my fault. Pulled my special and jumped into it and missed all my shots. Oh, gross. It happens. Oh, we've lost the tip of my mic.
see it through.
Quickly. Oh god.
Utility out. Usually up.
Why is this? I feel like it's so... Oh my god, I'm so tangled in the tops.
Need help.
Definitely needed some kind of order to this.
I'm down. Go here.
Enemies remaining.
That's a double
Well
top.
done.
Let's try and tidy some of this now.
What we you go back,
Go.
back.
Quicksilver's on. This is loose. Oh my. I have just ruined myself. This barely fits me as a first top. Never mind. Ah. We're off. Yeah, I don't know how many we're on.
Very nice.
Don't want to check. Just gotta keep going. We've got plenty of rounds. Plenty of rounds. Oh, let's have 7-7. 13 more kills. 13 more kills. Ah, 50 more kills.
Usually up.
Utility out.
Oh,
Help me out.
I want to go down. Oh, we'll die again. It's mine.
What did you expect?
Ah, he's dead. He's dead. Top one.
Bomb has been dropped.
Help me out.
I'm entirely sure about that one.
All friendlies eliminated.
No,
Regroup.
because I wanted to stay true. This was my first ever attempt. It was my first game on, and I think this is the first time this has ever actually been done and recorded and uploaded. I searched the internet, couldn't see a single thing out there. But that's it. It's unfortunately we didn't get another kill. We just got completely rolled on, so I fast forwarded it. There's no point you watching that, and it was just a bad game. But like I said, wanted to be true, so I've just shown it exactly how it is. I come out of this game with only 8 kills. It's pathetic attempt, and as I say at the end, I will definitely go for this again. But I just want to ask you guys, if you enjoyed this bit, to like the video and sub to myself, and if you've got any ideas, definitely fire them at me. I would happily give them a go, because why not? Like, we're in lockdown, I just want to have some fun with kind of things right now. And I am just doing this one take because it's just going to be uploaded, and then I'm going to go for a proper one. Then I'll fully edit it, upload that one, and get it all sorted. But I do feel as an early stage channel, from everything that I've looked up and all the people that I've watched and everything I've already researched, you just gotta get everything out there. Some guy put a label of 35 on the amount of numbers you need before you actually see anything as a result of an algorithm. I don't know how the algorithms work, but yeah, you just gotta get out and do it, and I'm enjoying myself, so thanks. Well, that's it. This video is going to be a bit different. It's going to be quite a raw edit because it was just quite literally one take with it going straight through. But I'm going to go for another one. Just let me know what you think. If this does anything, if you think this could be a little bit of a trend that you're into, give it a try yourself. See how many you could get. Let me know. Share the video. I look forward to it. But I'm definitely going at this again. So good luck to your attempt.